to Cooking with Bella. I'm your host, Bella Lee, on the You Can Be Healthier TV channel. I'm here to once again cook up a storm with you. I'm going to show you some healthy recipes that any teen like me can simply cook up while having some fun doing it. Wouldn't it be great to surprise your parents with a delicious, nutritious egg sandwich? This is another favorite of mine. Before we get started cooking, let me tell you a few fun facts to show you how healthy eggs are. Eggs contain high quality protein. It has all 9 of the essential amino acids and each egg has 6 grams. The egg white has almost half that protein. It contains other important nutrients including selenium, phosphorus, choline, vitamin B12, and other multiple antioxidants which keep the cells healthy. They contain good cholesterol called HDL. It can lower your chances of a stroke, which is the name of a blood clot or bleed in the brain. They're heart healthy. In a recent Chinese study, people who ate about an egg a day were 20% less likely than non-egg eaters to develop a heart disease. They are satisfying. For example, on average, teens who ate an egg in the morning have 130 fewer calories at lunch. They help your eyes. The antioxidants in eggs help keep away eye diseases like cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Eggs contain fat and make it easier for your body to use the nutrients than the antioxidants in green leafy vegetables that contains them too. They sharpen your brain. Eggs contain vitamin D and choline. Choline is important in pregnant women and breastfeeding because it has a big role in brain development. Now we know we are going to have a healthy, nutritious meal. So let's get started making it. Here are the ingredients that you need. 2 eggs, salt, pepper, and a dash of milk, 2 pieces of brioche bread, butter, spicy mayo, and avocado. Heat up the shallow frying pan. Place a small piece of butter to melt. Place the brioche slices. Brown them up on each side. Switch off the stove. To make the egg mixture, we're going to mix salt and pepper with 2 eggs and mix them. Put another small piece of butter on the pan and pour on the scrambled eggs mixture. Now swirl around to join the scrambled egg components together. Place spicy mayo on the brioche bread, avocado, and finally the scrambled eggs. Voila! A perfect Korean egg sandwich each time. So simple, so quick, and so tasty.